After spending on some expensive engine oils and tools, this time we will discuss on how we can save money on motor insurance and its taxes. I will leave the links for some vintage videos from the channel where I have discussed the basics of insurance and the complete process to claim a motor insurance. We will begin this video with IDV, Insured Declared Value. It's the sum or amount for which your vehicle is insured. This insured amount is important for both you and the insurance company as the final insurance premium depends on the IDV. Usually higher the IDV, higher will be your final premium after accounting taxes. An insurance company may try to attract buyers with low premium based on the low IDV amount. But I won't suggest this way to save money on premiums as it goes against the purpose of insuring the vehicle. You should know this that the claim amount for total loss in case of an accident or in case of theft will be settled on the basis of IDV. As a standard practice, a brand new vehicle gets around 95% of its ex-showroom price as IDV. And after 1 year, its IDV should depreciate at the steady pace of 10% every year. This should give a clear idea on the expected IDV. One of my star picks to get discount on motor insurance is NCB, No Claims Bonus. It's a discount bonus offered by the insurance company to the policyholder for not raising any claim during the policy period. It should be noted that usually no claims bonus is not applicable for third-party insurance, but if you have a comprehensive policy, then you can enjoy discounts up to 20% on own damage at the time of policy renewal for the first year. And if you still manage to be a good boy and stay away from claims, then every year the NCB will increase until you reach the present limit of 50% discount. The benefits of NCB does not end here as the owner can transfer the NCB benefits while switching over to a new vehicle. You can discuss this with your dealership or your insurance company while purchasing a new vehicle, and the process becomes really easy if you are going for an exchange program. A 50% discount on own damage can be a big discount depending upon your new vehicle price, and I really feel sad for the people who miss on this opportunity. Selecting the insurance company. The claim to settlement ratio is an important parameter here, but apart from that, I would suggest you to visit the authorized service in your area and ask the service advisor or the workshop manager regarding the settlement provided by the insurance companies over there. It can be possible that your insurance company might not have any tie-up with that particular workshop, or the surveyors of that particular insurance company in your area don't easily pass the claims. So your workshop and the surveyor from the insurance company play an important role here as all your premium amount becomes useless if the claim is rejected for an expensive part. If you want to squeeze in some more discounts, then you can go ahead and shortlist at least 2 insurance companies, fill the renewal details on their website at least a month before the policy expires, and then get ready for some spam calls and emails. You just have to get their quotation and try to pitch them against each other. If not discount, then you will surely get some entertainment. Jokes aside, there are many insurance companies that offer a lot of add-on features like flood coverage, roadside assistance, hotel stay at an added price. But before paying that extra 1000 rupees, consider the use of your vehicle. A scooter used for daily shopping runs of hardly 5 kilometers might not really need a RSA. This brings me to the end of this video and I hope you guys have liked it.